and welcome back to Baking by Leah. Today is the first episode of preparing for Christmas, and what a better way to start it off with baking some gingerbread men. What you will need: 225 grams of plain flour plus extra for later on, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of soft brown sugar and 60 grams of golden syrup. You're going to want to preheat your oven to the degrees shown on the screen and line your baking tray with grease-proof paper. First, sieve the flour, salt, ginger and cinnamon into a large bowl and mix well. Into a saucepan, add your butter, sugar and syrup. Once you've turned on the heat, mix the butter, sugar and syrup until it dissolves. Now pour the mixture into the dry ingredients to form the dough. On a surface, lightly dust with flour, roll out the dough to a 1/4 inch thickness. Stamp out the gingerbread men shapes with a cutter, then roll any offcuts and repeat the same process. Now place your gingerbread shapes on the lined tray, allowing space for them. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and join me again next week for another Preparing for Christmas video.